Welcome to SnapComms, your internal communications solution. Stories are a new message format in SnapComms. A story includes an image, a headline, and text. But instead of grabbing the user's attention immediately with a pop-up or a scrolling ticker, stories are published silently in the background without interrupting their work. Next time the user opens the SnapComms app on their desktop or on their mobile, the story will be there waiting for them. You might think of a story like a good social media post. Beautiful, interesting, just not urgent. Please note, to send a story, your organization must have purchased at least one channel. And to read a story, the user must have at least version 19.6 of the SnapComms app on a Windows PC or on mobile. To start a new story, just log into the Content Manager and click Create Content. Find Story on the list, or start typing to narrow down your options and then click on Story. Be sure to give your story a memorable name. This is how you'll identify it in your content folders. Choose a folder where you'd like to save your new story, and then click Create Content. Stories use a simple layout that always looks great, with a picture, a headline, and text. Just click on the pencil icon and choose your image. You can upload an image in GIF, JPG, PNG, or SVG format, or select an image you've recently used, and then click Apply. Your image appears on the canvas. If you like, you can hover over your image and click the Crop tool on the right. Here, you can drag the slider to resize the image, and drag the image to choose which part you'll see. And again, click Apply. If I click on the pencil icon again, you can see that the original image is still here, and the cropped image has been saved separately. Now, click on the bold text and start typing your headline, or just paste it in. Headlines can be up to 2 lines long. That's about 11 words or 100 characters. Anything longer than that will be cut off. In the same way, you can type or paste the main body of your story. Users will see the first 3 lines of text in their feed. They'll need to click to see the rest. Now, click the preview icon to see exactly how your story will look, and click on the X to come back. On the right, click Targets and decide which users or groups should receive this message. And click Dates and decide when they should receive it and how long it should be available in their feed. Finally, click Publish. Review your options, and then click Publish again to confirm. At the date and time you selected, your story will be delivered to the users you selected. They won't see a notification, but when they click on the SnapComms logo to open their feed, they'll see all their new messages, including your new story. Or they can choose Notifications, and they'll only see messages that came with a notification, like desktop alerts and scrolling tickers. That is, messages that require their urgent attention. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you ever need help, you can click the question mark and contact our support team by email or by live online chat. Or just go to snapcomms.com and click on the Resources tab to access our knowledge base, check the FAQs, and watch our other videos. SnapComms. Get employee attention.